Morning, I'm Dr. Brian Nardi with Nardi Family Chiropractic. Today's mailbag question is a two-part question. So we're going to record two videos. Today is part one. That question is, what is the anatomy of the spine and nerve system? So today we're going to talk about the anatomy of the spine, and in our next video we'll tackle the anatomy of the nerve system. So the anatomy of the spine is very simple. It makes up the spinal bones, of which are called vertebra. There are 25 independent yet movable segments. The spine is separated out from the back. The back includes all the musculature that surrounds and connects to the spine. The spine itself is strictly the bony structure which houses and protects your nerve system. It allows for structure, it allows for movement, and it again supports the nerves inside of it and the musculature outside of it. It is important to note that the most important bone of the anatomy of the spine is your atlas. Your atlas is a round ring which houses and protects your brainstem. It sits here at the top of your neck, the base of your skull. Your brainstem, which is part of your nerve system, will be discussed in the next video. But that atlas, this one, is designed to house and protect your brainstem. It is connected to your axis, which allows for rotation of the atlas. Now, the atlas holds your skull on top of it, allowing for its movement. The atlas also rotates along the axis, hence the two names. Atlas, just like Greek mythology, holds the world on its shoulders. Your atlas bone holds your skull on top of it. Axis, something that gets rotated around, as your atlas does. The remaining bones, you have your cervical spine, your thoracic spine, and your lumbar spine. And from the side view, you can see this S-shaped style of curve. When viewing from the front, should be vertical. In between each one of these bones is called a disc, or an intervertebral disc, which act as a cushion protecting each of these bones. You'll also notice that each bone, disc, and lower bone combination allows for a canal. This is where your nerves exit your spinal cord and move out into the rest of your body. When looking from the rear, each of your bones on either right and left side has a joint above and a joint below. There are therefore 4 joints in the rear. When looking from the front, there is also a joint above and below, which is the disc on top of the vertebral body. Therefore, 2 more joints, making up 6 in all. The difference does occur at the top with your atlas and axis in the upper cervical spine. Down at the bottom, this is your L5. It connects with your pelvis. This tailbone is called your sacrum. That makes up the structure and anatomy of your spine. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be about the anatomy of your nerve system. Thank you, and have a happy, healthy day.